Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I would like to show you how to download and play Venezolario on your PC or laptop. So Venezolario is a very popular game now. You can find it in charts. So right here on the third place. So in this video I will show you how to run this game on your desktop. So all you need to do is just install an Android emulator on your PC. For example, I use LD Player, but you can install another Android emulator, such as BlueStacks or another one. So how to do it? Just open up a browser. Now type here the name of the necessary Android emulator. For example, LD Player. Now go to their website. At the top right, you can find the download LD Player button. So to install it, just click on it. And then in the download history, you will see the Player 9 installer. So to download it, launch it, and of course, install it completely on your PC. After that, you will find the emulator's icon on your desktop. You need to double click on it, and then you will see this window. So you can see that this application is a virtual phone on your PC. So you can easily use it as your phone to install something. You need to click on System Apps folder. Now go to Play Store. Of course, you need to sign in here, and then you'll be able to find the necessary game. For example, in our case, Venezolario. So let's install it. Click right here. Finally, the downloading process is completed, and we can click on play. So let's check is this game works correctly. So click on continue, and now you can see that I can play this game right on my PC, not on my phone. So it's really cool. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.